Whose Sammers is that?
Black.
Is it your Sammers?
Yep.
He's my Sammers.
It's my Sammers.
He's my Sammers.
It's not yours.
He's my Sammers.
It's my Sammers. I got Dora.
He's my Sammers.
I got your Dora. I got your Dora.
You gonna sell Sammers for Dora?
Okay. Dora.
Whose Sammers is that?
Black.
Right, he's black. But who is he? Whose is he?
He's my Sammers.
It's my Sammers.
He's my Sammers.
You better give Sammers a hug.
He's my Sammers.
I got Hulk.
You hugging my Sammers?
Oh. You give Sammers a kiss? Do you love Sammers?
Yes, I like Sammers.
Oh, he give you kisses.
I